You drink cat pee and then you can see in the dark.
Yeah, that's how it works. Ah, welcome back to HowDoGame. I'm burning. Okay, right, let's just go. My red sword will demolish everyone. Do we actually have to fight someone?
If I remember right there.
Again! That doesn't actually show up in the recordings.
Doesn't it?
No,
Okay.
so last time I was like, Java! And it just looks like I'm going mental.
Give all the ingredients.
Yeah, the puff balls. Puffy balls. Alright, we're back. We haven't played this for a while. It's been 2 weeks? Has it been 2 weeks? We didn't do it last week, did we?
Oh, there's a secret bit there. See that wall?
Oh, yeah. Do you do pickaxe like in Lara Croft?
Use the force.
The force.
Yeah.
Which one?
Which one it is?
That one?
Yeah.
See, I remember things. Turn.
Force.
Boom!
Oh,
Look at that. Cool.
so there's poison in it.
Oh, okay. What do I want to do? Run through?
Use the fire.
Oh, okay. Fire. I gotta remember all the buttons. I don't remember.
Fire clears it and then you can go through.
Is it clear at all?
Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
Oh, can I keep... Ah! I'm on fire! Oh, wait. Is that all that's in here?
No, climb up there.
Oh, okay. How do I climb?
G.
Jump.
G.
G's not even for jump.
The G button.
G button on the Xbox control. It's a bit dark in here.
Have you got a torch yet?
I don't know. Yeah, I do.
Do you?
I just look at my laptop. It's like
I think
brighter.
there might be a torch in your inventory.
Oh, really?
Please, yeah.
Don't need it. Where do I go?
Maybe. It's not too bad. But there's a potion you can make a little bit later. It's called like cat potion, and you can like see in the dark.
Cat pee.
Yeah. But you drink cat pee, and then you can see in the dark.
Yeah, that's how it works. Where am I going?
Should
I try and get the torch?
Yeah, go in your inventory.
What do I do?
Go and usable items. There it is. Yeah, there's a torch for one.
That?
Yes, it.
And what do I do?
You
Equip.
press on that, and then equip it to one of those. Then you bring the wheel up.
The wheel. The wheel of fortune.
That's it.
And then
That's it. That one there, and then it's R1 or RB.
I'll
There you go.
Yay! I can fucking see.
There's actually nothing in here.
I don't think
This
so.
is actually pointless. I thought there was something in here.
Look on the map.
Use the Witcher senses.
Oh,
There it is.
there's a
Oh, there's
chest.
just yeah.
Fred.
Oh.
Oh, what are you? Oh, a fidget. Is that what it says? Oh, okay.
Boglet.
Oh god, I can't remember the buttons. How do you play?
Yeah.
You nearly killed me because I forgot how to play it. I thought it said a fidget.
It's a fidget.
Monster claw, monster bone,
That's it.
foglet
Yeah,
teeth.
take all that.
Take all.
That's it. That's the rule of this game. Take everything.
Take everything. I just want to see what I got.
Oh, cool. Oh,
Got
there's
swords.
some swords.
Yay.
There might be a silver one there, so have a look.
Is it inventory?
Is that a silver sword?
Which one? Silver Tom sword, I
No,
guess.
no, it's
that's
still-
a steel sword. That's misleading
The
advertising.
silver turn still.
So they're both
no,
useless.
they're both still,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. We'll just, yeah, whatever.
Alright, you have to use the fire again.
Yeah,
Don't walk into that with your torch. Oh, there's a chest there.
I won't. How do I stop the torch?
Yes,
There we go.
yeah.
Okay, cool. I got. Shall I eat raw meat?
Yeah, you might as well. Wait, no, oh, you ain't got any. Or, meditate.
Should I just meditate here?
Yeah, just meditate for like.
Is there any
an hour.
like punishment for meditating?
No. That's it, it gets back
Oh,
the,
as long as you've got like things that are recovered.
Yeah, that's it, yeah, the alcohol, then you can. So you got the swallow back again now.
Where can I go? Oh, don't get too close, I blow up again. Don't do it! There we go. Cool. I realised, like, in the last recording session with you and Chef, I kept saying, "You got it," and I say it constantly. It's fucking annoying. So if I say that, I give you permission to. I don't know. Tell me.
Here we go. This is the fight.
Oh, what?
Gotta fight this guy.
Is it a guy? See, I don't need the silver sword then, right?
You do.
I do. Well, he's a
Yeah.
monster.
Monsters appear with him. So
Oh.
I think you just.
Do I have to switch between swords? Or does
I
it
don't think so.
do
no,
that automatically?
I think you just keep using the silver sword.
Okay. Ugh. His armour kind of looks familiar. His face. It's me!
I shall help
I've come to kill you, Witcher! We got this.
How about they?
Oh no, that's the buttons! Right, what is the best thing to do here?
Shield.
I'll just stab him.
Oh, look at the damage.
The damage. Alright, how do I shield? How do I
That's
shield?
it. Yeah.
Do I want to fire? Is that any good?
No, I don't think it is actually.
No?
That's it. Get Gideon behind him.
Ow,
That's
shit.
it.
My shield's gone, right.
Go
Okay.
back.
Oh,
Go back.
What was that? You missed him, you idiot! Right, no fire. That's useless, yeah?
That's it. Just keep the shield equipped. Yeah. It's the only thing you'll need. So when he gets like that, and then just hit him behind him. And then when,
Gotcha.
and when he blocks,
Oh,
then
God.
dive back.
Did
That's
that break my block?
it. Yeah, I think it does.
Why?
I don't know.
That's dumb. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Oh well. Okay, right. Yeah. Okay. Ah, this isn't too bad, maybe. Unless he goes psycho. If he does the... Oh, watch out! Jeez! Nearly got me!
So that gun.
Look at that. Rolling stat, for God's sake. Devil? Did he call me a devil?
Devil.
Have you seen yourself in the mirror lately? Yeah, take that, zappy zap.
Look at the damage
Oh yeah,
he's
my
doing.
story. I was going to tell. I know. Talking about electricity, I got the biggest electric shock of my life yesterday.
Oh, okay.
So like, I came back from a break. I work in McDonald's, just so everyone knows. Yay. I came back from a break and I couldn't do the jobs I was meant to do because the office was like busy or whatever. So I was like, someone asked me to do something, date up some stuff. So I went to get. Why is he healing? What the fuck? Fuck you!
You can't attack the. You got to attack the beast.
Okay, so yeah, he said, can you date up the things? The actual things where you put the stickers is under the date machine. So I went to go grab the thing under the date machine, which was metal,
Yeah.
and then it just fucking shocked me. Like, it was the weirdest. Like, I've never had an electric shock like that.
Yeah.
It was horrible. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, it was really bad. It actually knocked out the. Like, it broke the ticket machine.
Yeah.
And all of the VATs
Wow.
tripped out. But they were more concerned about the ticket machine not being on.
Yeah.
They didn't care about me. Like they
Is the
couldn't
machine
give a damn.
okay?
Yeah. Is it working? What's he doing? Okay.
I had an electric shock once.
Yeah?
I touched
Oh.
the back of a plug without
Oh.
it didn't have the back on it.
Ah, okay, yeah.
I was quite young. It just sent me like flying across the room.
Oh, really? Didn't that happen to Matt? Like,
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
when he was like, did he cut something?
I mean, he cut a wire.
And
on
it was
TV,
still,
and
like-
and he was
Oh.
he was standing on a chair.
Yeah.
Apparently, he went flying.
Yeah, he went flying across the store.
Yeah, I didn't see that.
No, I heard about that. Oh! I'm not going to swear. I promise I won't swear anymore. I haven't even started a timer! God damn it. Alright, I'll start one now.
So it's been about 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's been about that, hasn't it? We've retold the story. Oh, for God's sake. Why does that break? Oh, slap me around the face with an axe.
Backhand you.
Cool. Just hide behind this pillar.
Yeah. So
Will he keep
wh-
healing?
Yeah. So when the monster, I think it happens about like 3 times. I think.
Oh my god. Will that happen every time he gets down is that third or oh what is it? Fifth? I don't even know what they're not even divided up evenly. Ah!
Nearly half.
I should have just hit like that. Come at me! I'm really enjoying this game. I suck at RPGs, but I'm enjoying it. You're enjoying yourself too, apparently.
Yeah. love the music to this game.
Yeah, it's cool. I hope you can't hear the game in the background. It's hard to set up like audio, especially with a broken goddamn mic. What is he doing? He's learned. Pleasure.
Go.
Pleasure.
He
Oh, there's
get
a
to, yeah,
wall.
get to the side. Oh, it's not one of those. What's he doing?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
I knew that was going to
he's
happen.
waiting
I was
for
just
that.
trying to get him. Yeah, to come out. Yeah, up your butt with the lightning. Ow!
Go.
Oh
Yep.
god, it's sneezing time.
Oh.
Sneezing time.
Do
Oh.
you say good night?
Maybe. Maybe. Make sure to tuck me in. Read me a bedtime story. Oh. He's actually not doing it. Is he going to actually hear it?
I reckon he will soon.
Ah, yeah. Oh. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my god.
You get over there. I was like, what are you looking at? You're looking the other way and then it's just a sneeze. Shall I heal, do you reckon? Or does it heal quite a lot? I'll just wait for another hit. I'll be okay. Oh! I'm getting good at... Is A a bigger dodge? I can't remember. No, just B.
Yeah, I hardly ever use A.
Ah, I knew that was going to happen. But it doesn't even matter. Cool. Ah!
Wow, is he not actually going to do it again?
Maybe
He's stunned.
not.
Get him!
Oh! 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 No, he's doing it.
No!
What?
Look yourself!
He's dead! He's dead! There's more crap! Can I not hit him with fire or anything? He's still
No.
stunned.
He can't do it.
I know.
Kill the beast.
Oh god, this has gone wrong. I shouldn't have done that. I can't. Oh. Lock-on's as bad as Kingdom Hearts. These are quite easy to kill, to be fair. Is he actually going to heal all the way up? Or...
Yeah, it's not the quicker you kill these.
He was dead! That's bullcrap! I'm going to get hit. Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, for God's
Sake.
I thought it was a bit weird that he...
Yeah, I hadn't done it.
That's never happened.
I had him. I had him. It's like the Dark Souls effect, isn't it? Where you think they're dead and then they poke you in the butt. Is that a power cut? Can you hear the alarm?
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like it because the power's still here. I might. Oh, okay.
That's just the car alarm.
Scared.
Maybe.
It may be just a car alarm. Yeah. It's just that every time we have a power cut, like that happens, and we've been having them this morning. I was like, oh great, we're recording. Just gonna sit in the dark.
If you did, would it just all go off?
The TV would go off. The laptop would be fine
Yeah,
because
just
we're recording and playing this on a laptop.
Oh, okay.
So that'd be all good. That's why we decided to play Witcher first to see if we would be okay. I guess. Oh my god! What's that up there? That ring? That circle? Did you see it?
No.
There it is.
Oh, that's where you gotta go.
That's where I gotta go.
After you kill this guy.
Are we playing Portal?
Portal 3 confirmed.
Can't count to 3. Oh crap!
Apparently, rumours of Left 4 Dead 3 in there.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of Left 4 Dead. I quite enjoyed it
Oh,
with
it's alright,
friends,
yeah.
though. To be honest,
Yeah.
it's just on your own. It's so boring.
Yeah. On your own is pointless.
Yeah. No, I can't shield. God, the fire! No, 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 no. Okay, I better dodge. Look at that. Oh come on. Oh,
Yay!
Yay! I thought he was gonna die. Her legs in the air.
Take his stuff.
Gonna
Yeah, take it all.
diamond dust.
Take it all.
There's a sword.
Cool, yeah, go back because there's that wall and then you can...
Yeah, there's a dead sulfur. Cool. Where was the wall?
Oh, you can level up,
It's
actually.
over here. Can I?
Yeah.
How do you know?
You've got an experience point. BI health, you got the arrow.
Oh, okay. Leviosa. I missed the first bit, but torch. Yeah, I remember the button.
That's it.
I like the music. It's cool. I got the soundtrack for this actually as well. Well, everyone did, didn't they? If you bought the game.
Yeah, that's it.
This is it.
Is there actually nothing in here?
Oh no, wait, look. It looks like it goes on behind here.
Oh wait, stop a second.
What?
Stop moving. Yeah.
What?
Oh, okay, that might be the way out, I think, of where you got to go next.
Really?
Yeah, because it's wavy, you find out what that is.
I thought that was my torch. Okay, should I just go
Yeah,
out?
yeah, go back to where she is.
Oh wait. Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
Huh? Oh.
Must get those sewer mushrooms. I don't know what that's. Sewer mushroom. How do you run A? That's it. Oh, there's a thing there. God damn it.
Get that
His
sulfur.
movement's a little weird.
Rotting flesh.
Yummy. Oh, yummy. That wasn't too bad, actually. I thought I was going to die.
That's right.
His
Maybe
hands
weapons
in
don't
the air.
break then, because I never...
Maybe not.
What's
level up. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you got a point to spend.
So what? I could spend it on this. What is this bladey thing?
So you got fast attack.
Fast attack damage increased by 10%. Oh, I nearly burped. Oh no, wrong button. Where am I? The menu.
Fatigue.
What's this?
Oh, that's the fire.
Should we do that? Oh, I don't use it that much. Should I use the sword?
So I get up the the mind trick thing.
Where's that?
That's in the blue bit. If you go down, it's to the.
Come on. No.
Is it Axie? Yeah, Axie and dialogues. Yes.
Increases effectiveness. Is it? But can I put it in the new slot?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Can't use it. Oh no, X.
Yeah,
For God's
that's it,
sake.
yeah, that's it. Yeah, equip it down the bottom.
How do I? Oh, I need to actually.
I think also
There
you got a
Oh,
blue mutagen, so you can replace that green one. There you go. Put a blue one in there.
blue one. What
yeah.
one?
Yeah, one of those. Yeah.
Any?
Yeah, it's one of the blue ones.
Okay.
Whoa, yeah, and you get bonuses because they're blue.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Cool. Okay then. Alright, I thought I was on fire then. There's my torch. No, I didn't mean to press that. I ate some raw meat. That's okay. Might as well get rid of it, I guess. Alright,
Cool.
we're here. I don't know how long we've been going, but... Wait, jump. Is there a chest down there?
Got a
Is that a chest?
touch for clues.
It's
Oh,
a
yes,
chest.
it is a chest.
Olives!
Oh, there's olives.
Yeah! Oh!
Oh!
Do not tarry. What the hell is tarry? Is
Do
that
not
like
tarry here long. Like
that
stay?
loiter?
Loiter, yeah.
Hmm.
Trust no one.
I'm actually really enjoying this game, yeah. And for the price, I mean, yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah.
This is a good RPG, chef. Fuck you.
Yeah, he hasn't. Oh yeah, he hasn't got it yet.
My chef hasn't got
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Been too busy playing Destiny again.
Oh, that's news. Did you hear that? About like one of the lead writer or something from BioWare has joined Bungie. Right, cool.
Really?
Yeah. Got enjoying the better game.
Yeah, good job. Well done. Yeah, that's weird. That is strange. What was the other thing I heard? Oh, the Fallout deal.
Oh yeah, the Fallout DLC.
Was there a robot one?
Yeah.
I saw that.
There's-
You make her a robot. And
Yeah,
stuff.
the robot follower. That looked pretty cool, but
Yeah. Wasn't there another one?
you could probably do that with mods anyway.
Oh, really? Okay. What was the second one? I can't remember. Is that an arena thing?
It's like an arena thing, and
Yeah.
then there was the big one, but like a water place or something.
Ship, isn't it?
Yeah.
Going somewhere.
Something
I know
like that, yeah.
I ain't even
Yeah.
played it. I'm just getting around to playing this. The only two games I can think I beat last year were Bloodborne and Axiom Verge.
Yeah.
And I love both of those. Yeah. I like how we're not paying any attention to the story. I don't know what's going on. There's a plague.
Okay, he's talking about the
Great Plague.
the witches of Crookback Bog. Crookback Bog.
Every time I say witches and bog, it reminds me of the witches in Bloodborne. What's her name? I don't know why bog reminds me of that, I guess. How witches of...
Yes. I can't remember now. What, the one that like...
the teller is like
Yeah.
invisible. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Not really. That was one of the easiest bosses in the game. How do I find the witches? We walk around because they're invisible and wait till you're like right next to them and then hit them. Bloodborne tips.
Yeah.
Geralt wants to play Bloodborne. What was it? I was thinking about awards. What won Game of the Year award last year for like the actual Game Awards one? Was it this?
I think this one, most of them, yeah.
Because Game Trailers gave it to Bloodborne, didn't they? Rest in peace.
Oh yeah.
Rest in peace.
Yeah.
God bless the show. God bless the show.
Yeah, no, I think this.
Good old
this
Game Trailers.
This pretty much won most of them.
Yeah.
I truly do believe you'll find yourself.
Because it's quite funny actually, because like
Alright then.
this was out and then before Fallout came out, everyone was like,
Nah.
"Oh, Fallout's gonna get Game of the Year,
Yeah.
easy," and then
Everyone's just like.
I don't know, everyone's like, "Yeah, with it, it's
good.
pretty good," but
But
yeah, I don't think I enjoyed it as much as this.
no.
No.
The Bear Legend. That sounds amazing.
Oh man.
Why is there a giant penis? What is this? What's going on? Right, there's a wall here. What do I do?
Examine.
Do you reckon it's time for next time? I reckon it's time for next
Sure,
time.
we'll find out behind
What's
this. like-
with this wall? I can't. Oh,
Oh.
my bad. Next time on HowDoGame.
I sensed it.
Yeah, we'll go. Well, we're gonna go through the wall now, I think.
So I bought this.
We're in the
She brought
walls.
what?
That thing.
It's a
Sundial.
biscuit.
What?
It's a giant.
The Eye of Nil.
What?
The Eye of Nil.
Oh man.
And each time
Ugh. No, I'm having fun. I keep saying it.
Thanks.
Thanks for the biscuit. Don't put. Why do they always push you? See you later. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Cool. Cool. I think that was quite fun. I think we talked enough. Do you think?
Yes.
21 minutes. It's not as long as normal, but oh well. We've had a few. Like the last episode was like 35 minutes long.
Yeah.
Alright, just be quiet. Cool.